Hi guys, this is Professor. Today I have a package from Flipkart. I had ordered Asus Zenfone 5. Total cost $999. I bought the 8 GB variant. So without further ado, let's open this package. Nothing inside. So the box looks pretty beat up. You can see, but it's okay. Right. Airbag, nicely packed. Great job by Flipkart. Bubble wrap. I got the black version. So this is how the box looks. As you guys all have seen how the box looks. Zenfone 5. Asus. Alright, so let's open this bad boy. Ta-ta-da. Ta-ta-da. Nice. Wow, it's pretty light. Much more lighter than Moto G. What's inside the box? Warranty card, user manual, which we won't need this. Charger, wall charger, data cable, earphones. Wow, pretty nice. In-ear earphones. Oh, look at the design. Mm phone jack. Spare buds. So this is the box. Model number. Alright, so let's keep this aside. So this is the phone. Wow. 8 megapixel master camera, Corning Gorilla Glass 3, brand new Zen UI, multicolor thing, guys. How to open the back case. Right, so this is how the phone looks. Asus Intel inside. Simple. Nice. This power on the device. English United States. Okay. Okay. Mobile connectivity. Wi-Fi. Okay. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Give it a second, guys. Connected. Okay. Not now. Not now. Skip. Auto sync. Skip. 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 Okay. Wow. Pretty nice. Way more better than Moto G. If I look at the club mode settings, let's go to about Android 4.3. Chili bin. It's not upgradable. Alright guys, so this was a quick unboxing of new Asus Zenfone 5. So if you like the video, please do hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.